Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download image in slide. So if you want to download image in Google Slide, here is a quick method or a quick guide on how to do that. So if you want to download, first thing you have to locate the image you want to download your presentation. So you can download this if I want. You can download this if you want. Same here, also there are whole collection of image which I added to my presentation. Same thing with this and this. Just mess it up. Go back to where I'm coming from. So I'm just going to tap on this image. I want to download this image, and if you want to download it, just do the right click method. But you will notice that there is an option where you can download. So you can see this is the right click method, but there is still an option where I can download the image to my gallery. It's just only for me to reset or crop the image out. So if you want to download the image, just hold on shift button. Hold on shift button. Once you hold on shift button, then now right click on the image. Right click on the image, then it will bring an option up here where you can save image as. So just tap on these apps, save image as, then you can now add the file name. So just add it like this, just one. You can see. After that, then tap on save, and see up here there's one JPEG downloaded, and that's how you can download image in slide. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.